friends, this is Rastan. Welcome back to a new video. So guys, today I'm here to share a DIY video with you all and share my some kind of creative mind with you all. So today I'm gonna make a flower paper bouquet. Yes, we are gonna make a bouquet from a flower paper. So these are some flowers which I had made with paper, colored paper, and I'm gonna share how I had made with you all. If you like the video, then make sure to like the video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. So without any delay, let's start it. First of all, we need a square sheet paper of 11 by 11 centimeter. We have to make a perfect circle between it, and now we have to make a cone shape, and we have to give some cuts in between the cones to make the symmetry effect. Then we will open it. It will give a flower effect to the paper. Now we just have to give some grease on sides of the strips. It will give a curve effect to the flower. Here I had made the stem and the leaves. The stem I have made it by the process of rolling a paper, and leaves you all know how to cut it. Here I'm going to use a brown sheet to make my lower cone of the bouquet, and I was having here a brown sheet, so I'm using that. If you don't have a brown sheet, you can use any of your favorite color to make the lower cone. You have to keep your self-made beautiful flowers in your cone, and according to the size you have to paste the edges of your cone. So here, with the joining of the edges of the cone, our bouquet is fully ready, and I have pasted a small beautiful bow in front of my bouquet to make my bouquet more attractive. So friends, with the end of all the struggles and hard work, here we are having the final result of our hard work, and yes, it is looking such a cute and such a amazing handmade craft. I was not expecting it will become this much beautiful, but see how cute it is. So if you like my video, then make sure to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Make sure to press the bell icon for the updates. So this is Asta Salma signing off.